Hey everyone, so this is a trade offer video for Ashila Filakoma, and this a random wallpaper. Yeah, it's a dog car. Yeah, wait, and it's the inside. And my dog is outside, and she used to sleep at like here during like at night. So yeah. So I can offer you this HK Namiko, and maybe I'll be like a bit slow because I haven't prepared the squishies yet. So yeah, and it has a tag, and this is my last squishy box, so I'm like taking it out. So yeah. So I can offer you this, and then I can offer you my HK loaf, jumbo one. So yeah, and this one has no defects, and this one the ear is like red, and then it has the neck has defects. So yeah. And then I can offer you this, whoops, Filakoma lemon, and it's out of the packaging. So yeah. Okay. And then I can offer I don't know, still offer what? Whew. Okay, I can offer these two squishy.